Welcome to Master Impromptu and Speaking. I'm Coach Hill from qdlearning. We'd like to invite you to turn in each week as we will be putting out videos that talk about one aspect of what we teach, whether that be business, investing, impromptu or limited prep, or debate. Check here each week. I'll be presenting things that not only make you better in the classroom, but also make you a better competitor, teaching you strategies and ways to outclass your opponents. So today we're going to be talking about everyone's favorite limited prep event, Impromptu. And we're going to be talking about it in four different ways. That being the levels of competition. You have rookie, novice, junior, and senior. If you are rookie, it means you're trying this out for the first time. Maybe you're doing it in class, you're practicing, preparing for your first tournament, or your presentation or showcase at the end of the class. Next, we move on to novice. Novice, you maybe got one competition or presentation under your belt, and you're ready to start expanding and getting better and learning a skill you know that you're going to always get better at. Next up, we have the juniors. The juniors have mastered the basics. They're a little confident, they know how to move, and now they're looking towards skill improvement and, more importantly, strategic competition, things they can use to get higher rank when they go to tournaments and, of course, to win national trophies. Last, we have seniors, and we're going to focus more on that because I think that's where you have become fluid and flexible and confident, and you can now freestyle, kind of like Eminem does. We can call you on the spot and say, hey, talk about this, and you have 2 minutes. And you know that you have a whole plethora of strategies to choose from. You can go a number of different ways, and now it comes down to competitive strategy. So that's what we talk about when we talk about senior or advanced approaches to impromptu or limited prep. So I'm going to spend a lot of time there. If you'd like to know more about this or you'd like to get practice doing this, feel free to put comments or questions down in the comments. I'll try to either make a video about it or answer it directly down below in the comments. In any case, QD is here to help you be more competitive and be more excellent in the classroom and outside the classroom. Doing a 5-minute speech after 2 minutes prep sounds really impossible when you're a rookie. But when you get older and your mind kind of gets used to the automatic timing, it becomes so easy. You're like, how did I ever have a hard time with this? So at this point, you just have to trust this. The more you understand it, the more you practice it, the easier it's going to get and the more confident you will become. Focus more on, just telling us what you saw. Tell us what it is. And don't just tell us what you think it is. Tell us where you have seen it before, in movies, in television, in nature, in your own life. Give us examples that demonstrate you understand what this is and what it means because you've identified areas in society where you've also seen it. So you're just basically pointing out the pattern and demonstrating where you've seen the pattern or the concept before. Keep it real easy. Focus more on confidence, on the timing, and just being able to stand up in front of people and give your ideas in an organized, coherent fashion. That's all we're looking for at the rookie level. I hope this was helpful. Again, my name is Professor Hill. You can call me Coach Hill. You can find me over at qdlearning. If you have questions, concern, or would like to hear more about what we're going to be doing on the topic and some sort of squirrelish ideas, as I sometimes like to run, you can let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to hear. If you'd like to hear more of these, I'd love to do them. If you'd like to hear some specific strategies, I can do those too. Just remember, we're over at qdlearning.com, or you can check us out right here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.